Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DJI OM 5 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the gimbal zoom speed on this device. So this gimbal has the zoom button. So using this button we can zoom and unzoom the image. So how we can change the speed of the zooming? To do it, you need to click on the three dots button on the DJI Mimo application, and here you will see the zoom speed. So click on it and change it to the fast or to the slow. And now when I'm trying to zoom or unzoom, as you can see, it's working really fast. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!